This 2006 Toyota Prius is brought to you by A Lot of Used Cars LLC. 2006 Toyota Prius in excellent condition, one-owner car, serviced at Toyota dealer here in AZ. Battery has already been replaced in 2015, only 164k miles, runs and drives very nice. Backup camera, clean title, no accidents. Introducing our incredible one-owner 2006 Toyota Prius hybrid hatchback, shown off in gray. Powered by a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder, connected to an electric motor that offers 76 HP and is perfectly paired to an innovative CVT. Our front-wheel drive hybrid is sure to make you smile as it delivers near 4.5 mpg on the open road, while showing off sleek lines designed to slide through the air. Inside our Prius, you will love what you find. You will be impressed with the comfortable cloth seating, a backup camera, keyless start, and power locks and windows. Our Toyota Prius comes with a long list of safety features you will appreciate, such as traction control, ABS, and plenty of airbags. Going green and saving green has never looked so good. So, print this page and call us. Visit us at